Today we're doing something, we're actually working with one of my favorite vegetables in the world, and that is cauliflower. I think cauliflower is something that has a lot of momentum now, everybody loves it, but it's so versatile. You can do almost anything with it, and I'm excited to make some cauliflower mash for you today. Hey guys, Aaron here, lover of all things good, and thank you for tuning back into my channel as usual. I definitely appreciate it. Please, before we get started, please subscribe and turn notifications, and if you haven't already done so, give me a thumbs up and like the video if you like it, of course, and also give me some comments. I do really appreciate it, and it really helps the channel grow. So thank you for tuning in. Today we are making some cauliflower, which I love. Literally, probably one of the most versatile vegetables out there. You can do so much with it. So we're gonna start out by basically boiling this for a little bit. Boil it for about 15 minutes, get it nice and kind of really cooked through. We're gonna salt our water, add some olive oil to it and probably a little bit of garlic. Spin it around, mash it up really good. I'm gonna add some cream cheese, some butter, some salt, and then also some olive oil to it to get a nice creamy consistency. Today we're gonna have some sauteed chicken thighs and also some French beans, which is a really simple recipe, super healthy and really nourishing, almost like comfort food. So stay tuned, more to come. Start by washing it off. Chef's knife, and I'm just going to kind of cut the back of this. I'm gonna try to tear it off with my fingers first. And the kind of core of it, you have to sometimes use a knife to kind of get in there. All right, so now I have my Le Creuset. This is about a 5.5 quart Dutch oven. I have it about 3/4 of the way full with water. I'm gonna add some salt as well as some olive oil and a little bit of garlic to the water, almost like I'm preparing pasta. I'm gonna bring that to about a medium-high boil, and then I'm gonna drop in our cauliflower. All right, so we have our steaming hot cauliflower right here. It's like a nice, this is probably the closest we'll get to a spa anytime soon due to quarantine. So I'm gonna lock it on in position, make sure that my wire whisk is locked in position as well. To here, I'm just gonna add some salt, probably about 1.5 teaspoons, maybe 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of seasoning, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, about a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna put that in here right now. 1 tablespoon of butter. So we're gonna also add some olive oil here too. About a tablespoon of olive oil